So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial, where in this tutorial we're going to discuss how you can enhance an image using AI. It's a very free method. It's a very convenient and free method to enhance an image using an AI website. So it provides you this feature for free, so you can use this website multiple times for enhancing your old pictures. It definitely creates some more details in the images. So without wasting any time, just open it. Just open any web browser on your PC, or you can do the same process on mobile as well. Just open the, for example, if I open Chrome browser, and here you have to search on the search bar nightmare AI. Just simply search this on the search bar, and for the more convenient method, just simply add on the search bar nightmare AI upscaler. When you search this, here you'll see the first website. Just simply run this website, and here you'll see the demo which is given for you to check the how this website works. Now here just simply drop a file of which you want to enhance the quality. For example, if I open any sample image over there, if I, for example, upload an image over there, you can see the image is right there. Now to upscale it, just simply select the amount of which upscale you want to provide to this image, and just hit submit. When you click there, you can see the image has start uploading, and after a small process your output will be ready. It may take some time as well, and here you see in 2.8 seconds it generated the high quality image, and you can use this website by yourself and see the results. It will definitely helpful for you. Just simply hit download over there, and your enhanced image will be downloaded. So by this method you can easily enhance an image using AI. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.